Hello everyone, let's provide a solution to this Olympiad Mathematics. We have square root of 2 to the power of square root of x. This is equal to 0.25 to the power of x plus 1, right? Now, do you know that from here, this is 2 to the power of 1 over 2, then to the power of square root of x. And then on the right hand side, this is 25 over 100 to the power of x plus 1, right? Okay, so multiply this by this, so we have 2 to the power of square root of x over 2. And this will be equal to 1 over 4. If I reduce 25 over 100 to the lowest term, to the power of x plus 1. If I continue, 2 to the power of square root of x over 2 is equal to 4 to the power of negative 1 to the power of x plus 1, right? Now, 2 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 2 to the power of x plus 1, because 4 is 2 to the power 2. If I continue, 2 to the power of square root of x over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 2x negative 2. Now the bases are the same, work with the powers. So we have square root of x over 2 on the left equal to negative 2x negative 2. Now we will cross multiply because this is over 1. So root x times 1 is root x, which will be equal to this times this in negative 4x, and this times this is negative 4. Now our next target is to square both sides, right? And we are squaring both sides so that we can eliminate this. So x will be equal to minus 4x minus 4 in two places. Okay, this is pretty simple. Now let's open this bracket, and our x will be equal to this times this will give us 16x squared. This times this will give us plus 16x. And this times this will give us plus 16x. And this times this will give us plus 16, right? Okay, now what do? X is equal to 16x squared plus 32x plus 16. Put these middle terms together to get this. Now arrange this in a better way. So we have 16x squared plus 32. Okay, this is 32x. This becomes minus x plus 16 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, right? Okay, 16x squared plus 31x plus 16 is equal to 0. And we can solve this using the formula method, because our A is 16, B is 32, and C is 16. Now, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and this is all over 2a. And we are going to substitute directly into this formula now, so that our x will be, in place of minus b, I'll write minus 31 plus or minus b squared is 31 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 16 multiplied by c, which is also 16. And the whole of this is over 2 times a, which is 16. Okay, so this is what we have. And let's continue. Okay, so x will be equal to minus 31 plus or minus, then we have 31 squared is given 961, then minus, if we multiply this, we'll have 1024, right? Okay, so this will be over 2 times 16 is 32. Now our x is equal to minus 31 plus or minus. If I subtract this, I will have negative 63, and this will be over 32. Okay, and then let's continue. Our x is equal to minus 31 plus or minus. We have square root of 63 multiplied by square root of negative 1 over 32. What I've done is to pick out the negative from here. Now, let's continue. X will be minus 31 plus or minus the square root of, okay, let me break it down. This is 9 multiplied by 7, right? Because 9 times 7 is 63. Then multiply by square root of negative 1. This is over 32. Now, x is equal to minus 31 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, then I have root 7. Then square root of negative 1 is I, an imaginary number. Then this is over 32. Now, to rearrange this in a better way, x will be equal to minus 31 plus or minus 3i square root of 3. Okay, square root of 7. Okay, so this will be over 32. And this will be the solution to the problem. And you can decide to write it in 2, meaning that x is equal to minus 31 plus or minus 3i square root of 7. Okay, I want to use plus first. Okay, this is over 32. Or it is minus 31 minus 3i square root of 7 over 32. So these are the two solutions to the problem. Thank you for watching.